If you're dealing with system corruption after Windows update, and you want to fix it using the command line, here's a step-by-step guide to using built-in Windows tools like DISM. For this, go to search and type CMD and then run command prompt as administrator as shown here. If you get the pop-up, click on yes. Here type following command and press enter. This quickly checks if the Windows image is corrupted, but does not fix anything. But it tells if corruption is detected or not. Next type following command. This command performs a deep scan of the Windows system image to detect any corruption or damage. It checks for any signs of corruption, inconsistencies, or component issues in the system files. This search deep inside my system image and tell me if anything's broken. Next type following command. This command detects corruption and repairs it using Windows Update, or another source if specified. Takes the most time, but this is the one that actually fixes issues. Just wait for this to reach 100%. Finally, restart your computer and your Windows system corruption after updates should be fixed. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.